Ali lived in a small village. It was a quiet place. The villagers worked hard, they farmed the land, they cared for their animals. Life was simple. Ali was a kind boy. He loved to draw. He used charcoal on the ground. He drew birds and trees. He dreamed of a world filled with color. One day, Ali was exploring the forest. He found a shiny pencil. It was lying under a big oak tree. The pencil was warm in his hand. It felt special. Ali smiled. He had never seen a pencil before. Ali held the pencil tightly. He started to draw on the ground. He drew a bird. The bird flapped its wings. It flew up into the sky. Ali was amazed. He drew a juicy red apple. It looked so real. He picked it up and took a bite. It was delicious. Ali realized his pencil was magic. Ali ran back to the village. He told everyone about the magic pencil. The villagers gathered around. They were excited. They had never seen anything like it. A farmer wished for rain for his crops. Ali drew a cloud. It started to rain. The farmer was so happy. A little girl wanted a doll. Ali drew a beautiful doll with curly hair. The girl hugged the doll tightly. But some villagers were greedy. They wished for gold and jewels. Ali drew them what they asked for, but the drawings disappeared. The magic pencil didn't work for selfish wishes. Ali understood the pencil only granted selfless wishes. He told the villagers to be kind. Think of others, he said. The magic will work if we share. The villagers listened to Ali. They started wishing for things that would help everyone. They wished for a well for fresh water. Ali drew a well and water gushed out. They wished for a bigger school. Ali drew a schoolhouse filled with books. The village prospered. Everyone was happy. The magic pencil brought them together. Ali learned that the best magic comes from kindness.